Next, from objects, there is a copy effect and a clone effect, right? So let us check what all these things. So here this is my one box. Here this is my another box. Yeah, suppose. So first select one box and come to object, and there is a copy effect, right? So here see there are perspective, from, and envelope and blend. So these are some effects are there, right? So first we have to apply anything from here. Suppose here I am applying contour. Okay, now adjust this, and if you want, you can change the color also. Okay, okay, then the same effect I have to apply for this box. Okay, then select this one, come to object menu, and copy effect and contour from this. So this is applied for this other side box. Okay, so this is very simple to apply. And suppose the same way here you can apply for another shape. So this is my color, and here I am taking the extrude effect. Okay, here I am extruding this color. The other side, this is my another shape. Now to apply the same effect for this box. So then come to object, copy effect from, and extrude from this one, sorry, here. Here, this is applied for that. Keep this side here. Next here, type some text or whatever the shape. Okay, this is my text here. And come to object, and here we have clone effects, right? So what is that clone? So I'll take the duplicate of this one, plus I fill the color here, and suppose for this I want to apply the perspective. Suppose this is my a perspective to the text. This is the text. Okay, suppose here the same effect I want to apply for this one. Then come to object and clone effect. Okay, and here okay. So what I'll do, select this one and object. First copy this perspective from this, it is applied. Okay, and here I want to add some shadow. Even you can go with the presets here. This is my preset here, and you can extend the shadow, and you can increase and decrease the strength of the shadow. Suppose this is the shadow. Okay, the same shadow, suppose I want to apply for this other side text. Now come to object, then go to clone effect and shadow from this. See, so this is added, it is cloned from the original one. The next, from object, here we have clear effect. Suppose if you want to clear this one, you can clear the perspective also, right? Control Z, keep this as it is. Okay, next, from object, align and distribute. So here we have some options are there. If you check this one, suppose it is unchecked, and check this one, align and distribute, Control plus Shift plus A. Okay, then observe the right side dockers here, align and distribution. At present they are disable. Choose all these, select all these things, and these are visible here. And see here, some options are there. Align left, and this is align center horizontally, and here align right, and it is align top, align center, align bottom, and here some align to, where we have to align your objects. Align with the last selected object, and here page edge, align with the edge of the page, and here we have page center, align with the center of the page. Grid, align with the grid, and here we have a specified point. So these are all the options. Okay, and bottom here, the distribution, distribute left, space objects evenly from the left edges, and here we have distribute center horizontally. Okay, this has horizontally space objects evenly from their centers, and here it is distribute right, and it is distribute space horizontally, distribute top, and this is distribute center vertically, and here it is distribute bottom, and here it is distribute space vertically, right? So let us check what all these things. First here we have to choose, so where we have to align selected objects, align with the last selected object. Suppose in this, see, these are all the objects. I am selecting all these things. From this, suppose this is my last selected. Okay, this is my last selected object, and select all, and see here we are applying align left. Okay, align left. Okay, so this is aligning left, and here it is aligning right. Click this one and align left. Now it is aligned to left, and I am using Control Z. Okay, and this is my last selected object. Okay, now I will use center, align center horizontally, so that all the objects will connect to this object because it is last selected object. Okay, but then select all, and see here these objects will connect to there. So here it is. Now see here the center, and now select this one, and you can drag all, and they will select to the align right, align right. So this means what? Align with the last selected object. It is applying. Now select all and come to here, align top. See, it is aligning. to the last selected object. Suppose now this is my last selected object, and what it is telling, align with the last selected object. So here now I am using here align center vertically. Okay, so vertically that will select. Now see, it is already selected, but we have to select all. Now see this one, this is selected, and Control Z. Now this is my object and select all. Now see, align bottom, align the bottom edges of the objects. Now see, they are all selected. And here we have some other options also there. Page edge. Suppose select this one. Okay, so what that will do, align with the edge of the page. Okay, select all and choose these two left. Now see, all are connected to the page edge. Okay, and select this one. Now this is to the right side. Now this is to the center. Okay, now here align top to the page. Now top to center vertically, and here it is align bottom. So bottom aligned. So these are alignments. Now here check the other one, page center, align with the center of the page. Now select here and select all, center of the page. Now see, these are aligning. If you observe here, the line is showing here. Okay, now come to the align right. Okay, page center but right. The same way here also, align top, center but top, and center but bottom. These are next here, grid, align with the grid. Select here and click here. Okay, suppose here I am using this one, but it is not selecting because there is no grid here. The grid and select all, align bottom edge of the objects. Not selected, just select this one. Align with the grid. Okay. Specified point, you can give some point. That is my point. I can use this align top. See, for the x value here I change this one, and you can add specified point, and here also I am changing. These are, and select this one. Now I use align bottom. Okay, so these are aligned to specified point. Here this is a grid. This is my grid, and select all. Okay, I align to this. Next, come to distribution. Here it is, distribute. Select all here. Distribute left space objects evenly from the left objects. So click here. So this is aligning, and here we have distribute center horizontally. Distribute center horizontally. See, here some options are there. So when you click and check yourself, you will understand what all these things, right? It's very easy to understand actually. Distribute center vertically. Okay, and here again, distribute for specified objects, selected objects. Distribute objects within the bounding box that surrounded them, right? So here it is. And now see this one. See, there is a line here showing. So that is what this is. Selected objects, distribute object within the bounding box that surrounded them. And this is page edge, suppose. See, this is moving to page edge, and I select all these things, and here it is distribute top. You see, it is aligned. And now this is distribute space vertically. Okay, is already changed this one, and select all these things, and here distribute center vertically. Here that is already used. Distribute space vertically. It's vertically distributed. And here we have object spacing. Click here and give some space to the objects. Okay, and select here and use this one, any of these. So automatically, according to your space, this is distributing, right? Now see, these are all. Okay, as per requirement, we have to choose all these things. I'm using some text here. I don't want that much text. Just type this text and increase this size. First line baseline, right? The first line baseline, align the distribute text from the baseline of the first line. So when you use these duplicates, then we will understand. Select all these things, and now see, first line baseline, align and distribute text from the baseline of the first line. Suppose here, so click here, or otherwise check here. Now I am applying the distribution. Control Z. and here distribute left, this is for the left, and select all. Now this is the distribute top, is the top edge. Now here it is distribute center vertically. Now this is distribute bottom of the bottom, right? And now choose this one, last line baseline, align and distribute text from the baseline of the last line. Okay, now choose this one. Okay, last line of the baseline, bounding box, align and distribute text from the bounding box. Okay, select this one, and here distribute space vertically. Okay, and select all these things, distribute space vertically. Okay, so vertically aligning, see here. So now distribute left, space objects evenly from their left edges. So click here, see, for the left edges. Okay, and select all here, and use objects outline and align with the pixel grid. Suppose click here, align with the pixel grid, and you can choose distribute space, and you see this is a pixel grid, so you can on and off. So right now this is in off, and see now you can choose this one. Now the pixel grid, this is the grid, so it is aligning with that grid. Distribute space horizontally. Okay, these are all about from objects, align and distribution.